Big Mac, a Big Mac, and French fries, I think I want a toy with some more mist, and I want. Do you guys serve carrots?
No, we don't.
More fun. I'll have some macaroni and cheese.
Can I say the man total you need?
Yeah. Macaroni and cheese.
Can I choose it?
Yeah.
Can I choose the total?
Yeah. And I want double cheese. Big cheese. And I want. That's all for today. I don't know. And I want an ice cream cone.
Your total will be 1,005 cents, please.
No, not that much.
100 cents, please. Your total will be 100 cents, please.
100 cents. That's all.
$100.